Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to quickly come on and share some things that I ordered online and a little Dollar Tree haul. So let's start with the Dollar Tree haul. I've done this video so many times, it's not even funny. I picked up some of this wire jute that I have an idea what I want to do with it, and I'll share it in another video, hopefully. I bought this wood shape that I didn't have in my stash. I bought this stencil, and if you watch Roxy for here on YouTube, she had shared a travel tag, and this font reminded me of that travel tag. So I kind of want to try my hand at it, and we'll see how that goes. So go check out her video out. It's amazing. I bought a couple of these brushes, and believe it or not, these brushes are really good with stencils, and with any stencil. So if you're looking for an inking brush that is really good, these are really good. I like it. Okay, so there are enablers out there. I'm not going to say who. They make me shop, but it's all good. Okay. I wonder how I should say it. This is my birthday month, so I've been shopping for my birthday, and I went over to Cottage Cuts because Jill Norwood said that they were having a sale, and I had to go check it out. So I have been wanting this dye for years, and it's just a simple doily dye, but I never got it because it was always so expensive. But I finally got one, and then I bought another one of these. I do not know why. I don't know why I bought another one of these, but I love coffee, so I got one of those. I think mushrooms are adorable, and this one is really teeny tiny. But I just love mushrooms, so I got that. And then lastly, I got this little snowman, and I had to get him because I'll show you in a minute why I bought it. Okay, so if you don't know who Jill Norwood is, she's a great crafter. I love watching her videos. Her videos are always so inspiring to watch. Not only does she shows you the products she uses, and then I go out and I try to find the same products, but I love her style. Her style is primitive, and it's from the heart, so anyway, she and Peachy Keen did a wonderful tribute to Sherry, who's Craft, Pray, Repeat, I believe. I might have gotten that mixed up, but they teamed up and brought back a stamp set that both Jill and Sherry loved. and it is this stamp set, and I couldn't wait to order it. Um, I mean, to help out Sherry's family first of all, and these adorable little gingies are just cute and adorable. So um, I bought that, and then I went ahead and got Jill's favorite stamp set, and it is an adorable set. It has different sizes. I was going to get the big one, but I didn't know if I would use it as much. So I didn't buy that one, but I went ahead and I got this one because she used this tiny little snowman with one of her I think it was one of these tiny face um, on here. So that was simply adorable. Couldn't help that. She also had me go to Creative Time and pick out this really cute scallop circle die that I did not have in my stash, and I had to get. Look how big that biggest circle is. It is pretty big. This set is really really big. But I got that. And then she showed in one of her videos, she got a happy mail from Gina, who's Scrapinology. That's another enabler. So, um, and she had showed this one stamp that she had given to Jill, and I had to get myself the same stamp set because it is just adorable. And I love the vintage look of it. It is so pretty. So I got that, and these stamps weren't as bad as I thought they would be. They were really reasonable. And then I got this one. It's an angel, and it has peace on earth, wishing you a peaceful Christmas. I think, you know, we lose sight of things during this time of year. So that was at scrapbook.com, and I also bought this one that you've seen me used already. I couldn't help it. I had to use this. I was gonna wait until I filmed this, but no, I did not. But that's okay. So that was at scrapbook.com. I have another package coming in that I'm waiting for. I couldn't wait because I don't know when it's coming in. I'm hoping it's coming in soon. So anyway, I have a D-stash going on my channel, so if you're interested in it, email me. It's a die D-stash. So yeah. So if you've stayed to the very, 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 very end of my video, I have a little giveaway that I'm going to be doing, and it's giving away this die. Like I said, I have this die already. I don't know why I ordered it. Maybe I saw it and I thought, I don't think I have that die, but I do. I looked. I have it. And it's okay because then this is going to go to a lucky winner. All you have to do is put down in your comments, don't give it away, because I'm not going to put it in my title that I'm doing this. Just say, I love coffee, or I love that coffee mug die, something that has coffee in it, okay? So I know that you're interested, and I'll do the drawing. I'll give people time to watch my video, and I guess I'll do it either Friday or Saturday, okay, if you're interested. So, yeah. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.